Hi friends, Little Vintage Me 64 here. Oh, I'm all out of breath. I just got back from picking up some more auction finds of mine. I'm wearing the same clothes as the last video because it's the same day for me. I did my video on my apron collection, and then right after I posted, I went out to pick up my auction stuff. So I wanted to share some stuff with you. If I don't have enough time, I will make this a two-parter, so we'll see how long it goes. My first find was a vintage angel tree topper. I paid $3 for her. Look how neat she is. She's cardboard down here. And I think she's going to look pretty cute on top of my silver tree. And it says made in Japan. So I thought she was pretty cute. Set that over here. Then I paid, I think, $4 for this. Let's see. Yes, a custom handmade refillable ink pen. I paid $4 for this. This came from an estate, and the gentleman must have been a woodworker because he had some other things that he had handmade and books on woodworking. So I like this little pen. Then all this other stuff that I have in this tote, I paid $6. I paid $6 for all the rest of this stuff that I'm going to show you here at the moment. So we're going to look and see what it is, because I couldn't tell from the pictures. I seen a few books and some little trinkets and trinket dishes and things like that. So let's see what's in here. First thing is a jewelry care cloth. Gold, silver earrings, necklaces, bracelets, pins, and watch bands. I guess you can always use a jewelry cloth. Then there's a little mirror, two-sided. Let's see what this is here. Watercolor paper. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. Thaman. Here's one painting. Man, bonus. Here's one they started. Let's see if there's any more in here. No, the rest are blank pages. I know somebody that's an artist, so I might give this to him. Here's another one. Oh, please have something in it. Oh, this is tracing paper. Nothing in that. All blank pages. Oh gosh, what's this? Learn watercolor pencil technique now. Includes pencils and book. Oh, I wonder if everything's in there. Here's what the front looks like. I think it's upside down. Oh, it's got some other drawings in here. Let's see what these are. Are all the pencils there? All the pencils are there, you guys. Pencils and a pencil sharpener. And let's see what this is. Oh, some sketches they've done. Oh, a little sketchbook and some directions. Well, that's kind of neat, isn't it? Oh, I have this book. I already have this book. Complete Guide to Sewing. This is the same book I already have. Let me see, there's something in here. Let's see what it is. Hold on for a second, you guys. There's something in here. Well, just seen it. Here it is. What is that? Oh, just a piece of paper. Boy, this is a very heavy book. If someone's interested in this book, let me know. I'm willing to sell it since I already have a duplicate. But I gotta tell you, it's very heavy. I'd have to weigh it on my scale and see. Here's another book with something in it. Reader's Digest Crafts and Hobbies. I might have to look through that. What do they stick in here? Oh, a book about cane seeding and stuff. Then there's this big box. It's very it's very large, very heavy. 10 puzzles. Let's see what the inside looks like. Oh, everything is very neatly organized. Each puzzle in its own bag. Hey, I could use these when I go to the free library, couldn't I? All right, let's see what else we got. We got some mystery bags here. Oh, this is a bag of candles. These are always good to have in case the electricity goes out. There's another bag. Let's see what's in here. Bread candle. Oh gosh, look at these, you guys. But these are old. Oh, that one's broken, but got a hole for that. Look at here. I could probably melt that and get those standing up again. See what's in this mystery bag. What is this? Oh, look, since he was a woodworker, I'm guessing he made this. And here's ornaments. Noah's Ark. That one's neat, with the drop of water shape. Well, how neat. Look at here, bells. Butterfly. And the crosses. That is neat. See what else we got. Oh, looks like another bag of candles. Oh, sorry about that beep. That's my vacuum cleaner. Then, oh, you guys, hold on a second. What is this? What is this? You guys ever seen anything like that? Oh, my robot vacuum cleaner is going crazy. Hold on a second. There it goes. Sorry about that. Can you guys tell me what this is? It's a clip of some sort. There's nothing to hang. I don't know what this is. I need to pause for a second. Okay, I'm back. Let's see what else we got. There's a metal Kleenex holder. Oh, it's got a strawberry on the front. We got an NRA flashlight. Cute little flashlight. Then I got a Brinks lock with 2 keys. Now, oh wait a minute, I got one more thing before we open up the other. Here is a little trinket box I seen. Just says made in China. And inside are 2 buttons and a stick pin and some safety pins. Now, I don't know what's in here. It's a very heavy box. This is all they showed as part of the lot. So let's open it up together and see what it is. You ready? I'm scared. What do you think it's going to be? I'm going to think it's either something to do with his woodworking or something to do with arts and crafts. Here we go. Oh, it's an artist box. Let me put this down here a little bit so you guys can see. We've got linseed oil. Here's another linseed oil. Here's some tools. And an old pencil. An old eraser. Let's see if there's anything underneath. Ready? Oh, yes, there is. I could always use one of these. Oh my gosh, look at here, you guys. Why did they not sell this separately as an artist set? Wow, look at all these brushes. They were all in this tube here. Oh my goodness, look at all this stuff. Here's another tube. Wow! Look at all that, you guys. That is fantastic. Another big brush. Here's another brush. I don't know what that liquid is. More brushes. Here's some old cards. Could have been some inspiration maybe. And look at all these paints. You guys see all that? Something in here is leaking. I need to check and see what it is. Ooh, it smells strong. Look at all this. More brushes. And what is this giant thing? Magic white medium. I don't know anything about this stuff here. Ruler, another brush. Just a bunch of different paints, you guys. Well, I think I did good on, what did I say, $6 for all this? So I'm gonna stop here right now. Let me see, we are at the 13-minute mark. I will do a part 2 and show you the other box I got. So please stay tuned for that. That'll be coming up in the next few days. Please comment, like, and make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell too. Bye, my friends.